Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're checking out a compact but powerful cleaning solution, the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Vacuum 3437F. If you live in a dorm, apartment, or small home and want full-size cleaning power without a bulky machine, this vacuum is definitely worth a look. One of the standout features is its lightweight design at around 10 pounds, making it very easy to carry around your home, move upstairs, or store in small spaces. Despite the compact size, it still delivers strong suction for carpets, rugs, and hard floors, giving you the cleaning performance of a much larger vacuum. The vacuum includes scatter-free technology, which helps capture debris on hard floors without pushing crumbs and dust around. That makes it great for kitchens, hardwood floors, and other smooth surfaces. Another really useful feature is the quick-release extension wand. With one click, you can detach the wand and clean above-floor areas like shelves, furniture, stairs, and tight corners. It basically turns the vacuum into a versatile cleaning tool for your whole home. It also comes with helpful attachments including a pet turbo brush, crevice tool, and dusting brush, which are great for removing pet hair, cleaning upholstery, and getting into narrow spaces. The vacuum uses a cyclonic cleaning system with a 1-liter dirt container, and the Easy Empty Dirt bin lets you dispose of debris with a simple push of a button. Plus, the 25-foot power cord gives you good reach while cleaning multiple rooms. Overall, the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Vacuum 3437F is a lightweight, powerful, and space-saving vacuum that's ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, and everyday cleaning without the bulk of a traditional vacuum. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.